Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to send files from PC to your phone or from your phone to PC using Shareit without installing it in your PC. So let's start. First of all guys, open Shareit in your phone. Then click here and connect to PC. And then go to your PC and connect with this hotspot. As you can see here, this is the hotspot name and this is the password, and this is the web address that we are gonna use to send files. Now open your browser. As you can see, open new window, then write this web address. Then click enter. As you can see, the screen has been changed. Now let's try to send files from PC to my phone. I will choose an let's see. All right. Let's send this. As you can see, this was so fast. Okay, now let's try to send the files from phone to our PC. You can guys choose apps, photos, videos, music, anything that you want to send. As you can see, I will send this video. Alright, now click save. Now let's open it. As you can see guys, it's pretty simple. I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next one. Goodbye.